Question 12. The diagram shows a car fuel gauge at the start of a journey and at the end of a journey. There are 80 litres of fuel in the fuel tank when it is full. So I'm just going to note that down now so I don't lose that important piece of information. We know that when it's full, that value there is 80. Part A, work out how many litres of fuel are used in this journey. It's a 3-mark question, so we need to know what you started with, what you finished with, and therefore the difference in those values must be what was used. We're going to have to try and understand what this scale represents. If the whole thing is 80, then we know that halfway must be 40. And that shows that each of these small marks must be equal to 10 litres. So that would be 50, 60 and 70. So the start of our journey, the car has 60 litres in the engine. It uses the same scale on the end of the journey, so we have 0 empty and going up in 10 degrees for each mark, 10 litres for each mark, shows that there were 10 litres left. So if we take away that 10 litres from the 60 at the beginning, 60 take away 10 is 50. Therefore, the journey used 50 litres of petrol. On a different journey, the car went 180 kilometres. The car went 15 kilometres for each litre of fuel used. How many litres of fuel did the car use? So we know the total was 180, and we know that for every 15 kilometres it used 1 litre of fuel. So this becomes a division problem. We're trying to find out how many times does 15 fit into 180. Now you could potentially sit and go 15, add 15, add 15, and that would take a really long time. So the best way to do this, to be really sure, is to do a manual division. Some of you may prefer long division. I'm going to use short division for this one, using the bus stop method. 180. And we're going to divide that by 15. Well, 15 into 1 is 0. So we carry the 1 across. 15 into 18 is 1, with 3 remainder. 15 into 30 is 2. So there are 12 lots of 15 in 180. So therefore that must have been 12 litres being used. Your answer then being 12.